Geeks for Geeks School presents School Ambassador Program. This program is the voice of students in action, where actions mold the present into future we all can be proud of. Let's hear it their way.
Hi everybody, my name is Nipun Attri. I am currently in 9th standard from Manamangal Smart School, Zirapur. So, if we talk about my coding achievements, I am a Flutter developer, means I develop hybrid applications which work for web, Android, iOS, and pretty much every operating system you can imagine of. So, for other languages which I use include Python and C++, which are one of the most common languages used currently. My current goal is to get the gold medal and represent India in the Informatics Olympiad, which is an international level coding Olympiad, which is a huge task to do. And if we talk about my current achievements, I'm the GeeksforGeeks School Ambassador, as well as I am the first step to DSA contest conducted by GeeksforGeeks Scholar. So that's it for today, guys. See you soon.